We start you off with the T.A.T. Mashinini Foundation. Together with the city of Johannesburg, they've launched a monthly cleanup campaign in Soweto to mark 50 years since the 1976 uprising. The inaugural drive took place on the T.A.T. Mashinini precinct and the June 16 Memorial Arc in central western Jabavu this morning. Organizers say the campaign, now scheduled for the 16th of every month, honors the legacy of the 1976 youth through community service, environmental responsibility and civic pride.
Sebeqoke ukuzibambela bona bezinhlangano ezahlukene ngokubambisana nomasipala waseJohannesburg ekhucululeni imfucuza endaweni yomlando iJune 16 Memorial. Lolu hlelo lweSoweto Cleanup kulindeleke ukuba lwenziwe njalo mhla ziyi-16 ngenyaka unyaka wonke ukugcina le ndawo ihlanzekile iphinde ihehe nezivakashi.
We are partnering with the private sector, in particular this time with the T.A.T. Mashinini Foundation, to clean iLentuzana, the precinct. But also the idea is to do these campaigns every month. Every month on the 16th, we want to go around Soweto and clean Soweto. But also we are encouraging the community members also to take part of this initiative.
As citizens, as the community of Soweto, it's time for us to stand up and reclaim our spaces. For example, that there's a lot of international visitors, tourists that will want to come and see and do the research on the 50th anniversary of the June 16. Now we're saying when they come, they must find us prepared. They must find the place, it's nice and clean.
Kusenjalo ukhansela wendawo uthi lolu hlelo liyamthokozisa njengoba lizoqeda nobugebengu endaweni.
A park, there's a lot of wrong activities that are taking place. Your crime, people using the drugs are hiding behind this bush and it causes the problems. So keeping it clean and maintaining it the way it should be maintained will be of great help for the community of Ward 35.
Lolu hlelo lokukhuculula luyingxenye yomkhankaso yomasipala olwamenyezelwa umeya, kanti amalungu omphakathi angathanda ukulekelela ayakhuthazwa ukuba asondele eduze. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngiseJabavu.